Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels. As you guys know that project Sueno, which is about modifying my Volkswagen GTI, has been going on, and if you haven't watched the previous series about my new Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires and NK Japan rims, then I would suggest you to watch those first and come back to this video later on. So guys, moving on, today we are at Autopsyche, which is in Silver Oak Farms MG Road, for the installation of much awaited sports exhaust system for my Volkswagen GTI. So the reason that I have decided to go for the Milltek sports exhaust is because the exhaust that I have been using on my GTI is a custom welded one, due to which there is a constant drone noise inside the cabin all the time, and it was really loud and likable in the starting, but now I've started to despise it because of the drone sound. Well, I hope this Milltek Sports exhaust really solves the problem, and without further ado, let's show you the installation. So guys, the first impression of this Milltek exhaust is it's really neat. The building quality, the material used and the steel binding process the Milltek has used is really amazing. The exhaust has been made using pure stainless steel throughout the Catback exhaust, which really makes me think that it is even better than the OEM exhaust quality. Milltek Sport just doesn't send the Catback exhaust but also their proper fittings like clamps, nuts and adapters for the proper fitting. Also, this is not a custom exhaust but a direct bolt on and is model specific, which means it will fit directly beneath the car in the same way the OEM was placed, which means there will be no welding at all. So guys, we are about to finish the installation and it took us around 3 hours, as installing it was just an half-hour job, but taking out the custom one was really hard, so it had to be cut down eventually.